Well, I must say this brings memory. You wanted to talk about DENT versus dollar, so let's do it. It's been a while, but this brings memory because DENT is one of the coins that was the most popular on my channel. Yeah, this brings tears into my eyes for that bull run of 2021 when this coin was flying and made many of you rich. So let's do it again. Let's walk again into a new bull market. Let's go through DENT on daily, weekly, monthly and see what is really happening now. So let's begin with this short-term analysis on the daily chart of DENT. This will be simple, but it will provide you enough value, believe me, and stick to the end when we look through the monthly chart to know exactly what is happening. Full throttle uptrend is ongoing in DENT. There's nothing to say about this. You can see leg to the upside, leg to the downside, leg to the upside. At the moment we are having a very nasty candle, but it's part of the process, nothing to worry about. Because we are still above this band of 21 days. This is moving average, this is exponential moving average of 21 days. I'm using this as the support and resistance factor, as the momentum factor, as practically it's giving me every vibe that I really need. So we are pulling back all the way from 001. I don't know how I will pronounce all these zeros, but as long as we are keeping our heads above 0009, we're good. So this is a quite possible scenario. Even more pulling back and still being bullish in the short term. So daily chart is not giving me nothing to worry about. Even this alignment of yellow and the blue is not giving me any vibes that this coin like DENT will stop at this moment. The worst case scenario would be retracement into this area of previous resistance, something like this, and then move to the upside. The area is 0008. So again, nothing to worry about. Let's retest the previous highs and continue to the upside. And if I apply this trend line of DENT's uptrend, you can see that how about we go into this intersection, something like this. So another scenario, into the intersection, touching big support 0008, touching this trend line that gave us support here, here and here, and then continuing to the upside. From whatever perspective we are looking short term, I'm saying, into the DENT, it's looking pretty nice with nothing to worry about. Hope we can agree on that. Okay friends, but let's go to the weekly and find out even more. Oh yeah, and before we dig into this weekly chart, I just want to say one, well, let's say hell of a story. Because in 2021, or it was 2022, I wasn't having this pretty nice mic. I like this mic. I was having a shitty mic. And someone who was watching my DENT videos, I don't remember his name, sent me $100 worth of DENT to buy a new mic. So what you are listening today is because of the DENT, is because that guy sent me $100 worth of DENT to buy me a new mic. If you are that guy, please let me know in the comments that you're still here, and if you remember that situation, also give me a wave. As I said, fun times, nostalgia. But weekly chart, no more tears in the eyes. Nice looking chart, that's all I'm gonna say. This is really nice looking chart. Why is that? First of all, we crossed the crucial 21 weeks band. Secondly, the yellow is above the blue, we have the momentum. So a big retracement into this area that I just previously spoken about, 0008, that the market here would be absolutely normal and would mean just a continuation to the upside. So weekly chart is making nice moves. Now we want to see a rebound from this bound, from this pretty nice band, because you can see here what happened. We made a significant throwback into the upside, but didn't have the force to hold our ground above this band. This was the beginning of 2023, February, March. We did the exact thing as here. Can you see the differences? Here the DENT was weak, as the whole crypto community. We fell back into few more months of bear market. Now I believe this time this won't happen, but we gotta see what the charts will show us. Are very interesting what the crypto space is bringing to the future. At this point, this is looking hell of a nice. More retracement, yes, possible. Even at this moment, maybe we see more to the upside and then retracement, but it's not scary. It's not looking bearish. One more thing we gotta mention at this pretty bullish looking chart. It's a pretty big support that DENT decided to make his final ground. It was final ground here, all the way from 2022, even at the end of 2022. It was the ground here in the summer of this year, and here we made the final touch. You could say that this is a triple bottom. You could say that this area is the area of final resistance, and maybe we will no longer see these prices. Now, at least I am not expecting that big of a fall again for DENT. As I said, this band should hold it this time. We retested it quite enough times. Now, if our level of 0008 doesn't hold, then yeah, it's a possibility of 0006. At this point, at this moment, DENT is not showing us weakness. Now, saying that, you gotta respect my words of saying that the real parabolic state of crypto and DENT is not here yet. Now, let's go into the monthly chart, because I got something that could change your perspective, vision, or whatever you're looking at. Of course, nothing like the monthly, right? And it's showing you exactly what you need to know at this moment. Number one, we are still not in the clear of a throwbacks. Why? Because we are below our band of 21 months, and it doesn't mean that we can't go parabolic at any point, because who knows with those altcoins, but it does mean that DENT is not full throttle ready. But this band is giving me a big secret. Monthly chart is always not giving me many hints, but this band is giving me magic. First of all, I want to mention one level, and that is 0006 that served as a clean support. You can see it touches here and here. Here it looks like a double bottom, although it wasn't, but bullish sign. Secondly, to the upside, we are seeing why we are stomping. And not only that the band that is currently standing at 0009 is giving us problems, so we're right at the region of the battle, but this line of resistance that was happening here in March is also above our head. That line is at 0001 or 0011. I don't know how to pronounce those binary wonders. It doesn't matter. Now I want to talk about the thing that could be blowing your mind. Are you ready? First of all, yeah, we need more volume. This kind of buying power is nowhere near, let's say, even this capitulation that we had in August. So remember and try to think about what will happen when we have this kind of volume. Yeah. Parabolicness. DENT is not dead, that will go up again. But this is not what I want to talk about. Check this out. Let me show you why I like my band the most and why it's giving me the precise details. Can you spot this cross? So, yellow above the blue. That happened here in August. Magnificent stuff. That is the first, always the first sign of bullish narrative. Can you spot when was the last time this bullish thing happened? It was the October 2019, ladies and gentlemen, the end of 2019, all the way to 2019. So it was around this part. Then things start to change. But of course, as you can see, we consolidated almost the entire 2020 before we got what you came here for. Those 3 magnificent months. We're not there yet, okay? You can see similarities between this kind of price action and the alignment of the band, and this kind of price action and the alignment of the band. We are there. So there is a possibility that we are here. See? Something like this. Uptrust below the band, retracement, and then huge move to the upside. I'm just giving you possibilities. Maybe we have that uptrust now, retracement, and then a huge move in 2024 that you've all been waiting for. How about those fractals? Oh, but it's getting more optimistic at this point. Look at this. why I could be wrong and that bull market could be here even faster than we expect. Ooh, I'm getting chills. I'm getting chills of what I'm showing to you. What is happening at the moment with the price section? We are touching and battling the band of 21 months. When was the last time that thing happened in this alignment? Now don't get too excited, but last time we touched this band was here. This here band before the humongous pump. So maybe that bull run that I'm predicting in the next couple of months is even closer than we think. We need more proof. Daily is bullish, weekly is bullish, monthly is not bullish, but it's setting up to be. So, should you start thinking about DENT? You definitely should. It's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the dinosaur that you're sending money to buy a new mic. That's all. And with that regards, I'm gonna say